Imagine you're standing outside on a clear night, looking up at the stars. Each one is a distinct sun light years away. But what if I told you that everything you see, the stars, the galaxies, the cosmic wonders, are just a tiny fraction of what actually exists? The universe is so big, our minds can barely understand it. But today, we'll try. Let's take a journey from Earth to the edge of the cosmos. Imagine traveling at the speed of light. Even at that speed, it would take you over 93 billion years to cross the universe. That's how insanely big our universe is. But could it be even better? Let's find out. Let's start small. Our home, Earth. It takes around 40 hours to reach the moon with a spacecraft. But that's nothing compared to the sun, which is 93 million miles away. Light from the sun takes 8 minutes to reach us. If you drove to the sun at high speed, it would take over 170 years. But even a mighty sun is tiny compared to the solar system. To reach Neptune, the farthest planet, light takes over 4 hours, and beyond Neptune lies the mysterious Oort cloud, which extends from 2 light years halfway to the nearest star. Virgo